Welcome to my very, very bright dining room here. I'm on to share something with you that I hope will be really helpful. All right, I have created a checklist for learning English. Now, when I've learned other languages, I kind of want to know, what do I learn next? What do I learn now? So if you are wondering what's the next step for me in learning English, I put a copy of this. There's a link attached to this video. You can go online, you can print it out for yourself, and this has just about everything you need to learn English. Use it to go through, check off the things that you already know, ask for help for the things that you don't. It's got two main sections. It's got grammar and it's got writing, because those are two very different things in English. So go through it. It's listed in beginner levels. Now I work for a school here in the United States, so it's listed by the levels that we use in our school. But it goes from beginner, which we call levels 1 and 2, intermediate, levels 3 and 4, and advanced, levels 5 and 6. And just go through them, check them off. Now, as a teacher at a higher level classroom, sometimes I find that students have gaps. Things that they were supposed to learn at a lower level and they don't, because maybe they joined at a higher level and they just did not get those things. So use this, go through it. Many of the concepts, especially the advanced ones, level 5 and level 6, are videos that I've done before. So check those out. If you have a special request for wanting a native teacher to tell you how the other ones work, let me know. That's my job. So located in the description box in this video, click on it, download it, see where you are in your English learning journey and how much more you need to go. I hope this is helpful. If you have complaints about it or think, hey, this is terrible, you did an awful job, let me know. It's okay. I can handle it. Other than that, stay tuned. I'm uploading shorts all the time, almost every day, because I'm continually inspired by my own teaching. Also videos on grammar and conversations that I have with my wife. But whatever you think would be good to help you learn English, let me know. Like I tell my students, this is your education. I already speak English. I already know how to do these things. But this is important to you, and because it's important to you, it's important to me. So let me know how I can help. I'll be your online English teacher. So enjoy it, and I hope it is helpful for you. See you in the next video.